Hello there, my friends. So I had a viewer ask me a question. They asked if on the iPhone can you turn on the haptics and the sound while you're using the keyboard for messaging. And he mentioned the silent mode too. So the great thing about the iPhone is it has this little switch on the side. See, I need to clean that. And you can turn it, the switch, if you click it so that the red part's showing it's on silent mode, you click it down, it's in normal mode. And I like to keep mine in silent mode, but a lot of people don't like that. So that's one thing that was in the question, I guess, about silent mode. So I thought I'd explain that. But really, what they want to know is how do you turn on the clicks so that you know that you're typing, and that's done in settings. So go to settings, and then go to sound and haptics. It's right here. Click on sound and haptics, and then if you look at keyboard feedback down here at the bottom, click on that. Hit sound. There's a little slider. You can either slide it or you can just click on the side. And then haptic. Now, what's haptic? Haptic is feedback, right? So like the like a pulse. You'll feel a little vibration from the phone when you tap it. So let's go back now and say type something into notes. I was typing about positive firsts. So if I turn this out of silent mode now, it should, yeah. So as I type this, you can hear it sounds like a typewriter, and I'm pretty sure you can even change that sound. But it also feels, right? So it has a play. So let's go back to, see, hear that. I'm not typing, but oops, I want to undo that. Well, nursing. Okay, so let's go back to settings, and I'll turn off the haptic, and we'll just do the sound. So back to notes. So that's the sound, just with sounds. Or I'll get closer. See how it doesn't have that deeper undertone? Now we'll go back to settings, turn off the sound, turn on the haptic, and then go to notes and type. So I'm just tapping the keyboard with my fingers. You can't hear the sound, but you might be able to hear a little bit of a resonance, and that's the vibration coming through. So you hear that little pulse? Yeah. But like that's the haptic. So anyway, so I hope that answers your question. If that answered your question, then great. Have a great day. If this was of any value to you, smashing like helps me. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments. See you on the next one. Take care.